In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Resume Copilot ChatGPT plugin to improve your job application. This is a simple and practical way to get help refining your resume so it sounds stronger, more targeted, and better aligned with the role you want. If you have already written a resume but want to improve the wording or tailor it to a specific job description, this process can save you time and help you work more efficiently. To begin, open ChatGPT and make sure you are using a version that supports plugins, such as ChatGPT Plus. This is important because the plugin option will only appear if your account has access to that feature. Once you are inside ChatGPT, go to the plugin store, which you can find inside the plugin menu. This is where you can browse and install available tools that work alongside your chat. In the search bar, type Resume Copilot, then click Install next to the plugin name. Give it a moment to complete the installation. If everything works correctly, the plugin will then become available in your account. After that, enable the plugin by selecting it from your active plugins list at the top of your chat window. This step makes sure the tool is turned on for the conversation you are about to start. If you skip this, the plugin may be installed but not actually in use. Next, upload your current resume text into the chat or paste it directly into the message box. Make sure the content is clear and complete enough for the plugin to understand your experience, skills, and past responsibilities. It is also a good idea to remove any highly sensitive personal information before sharing the text. Once your resume is in the chat, type a prompt explaining what you want the plugin to do. For example, you can ask it to rewrite your bullet points for a specific job description. Try to be as clear as possible about your goal so the suggestions are more useful and relevant. Then review the suggestions provided by the plugin carefully. Read through the updated wording, compare it with your original version, and ask follow-up questions if you want additional changes. You can keep refining the results until the resume sounds accurate, professional, and tailored to the job you are applying for. When you are happy with the final version, copy your updated resume text and paste it into your document editor to save your work. This gives you a clean version you can format, export, and use in your application materials. That is all for today. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your job search.